Hi, and welcome to another Chromperfect support video. In this short tutorial, we'll show you how to monitor your detector baseline without saving a run. This is helpful when you want to check the signal for stability or adjust the zero without creating unnecessary data files. Let's get started. First, open the acquisition window from the main menu. Do this by clicking the Run button on the Chromperfect start bar. If you don't see the start bar, but an older floating square menu, you are using a very old version of the software and should contact our sales team to upgrade to the latest version. Claim the instrument as you normally would. Now, download a method with a runtime that's long enough for you to monitor the baseline. Start the run. You'll now see the live signal on the spreadsheet. Here's the important part. Do not click stop, and don't let the method run to the end. If you do, Chromperfect will treat it as a normal run, process the data, and save files. Instead, when you're done, manually abort the run. You can do this by clicking the Abort Run button, or by right-clicking the spreadsheet and selecting Abort Run. If you find you need more time while the run is in progress, just right-click the spreadsheet and select Change Run Time. Now, let's talk about adjusting the zero. The initial zero adjustment must be done on the gas chromatograph using the analog zero potentiometers. Once the baseline is stable, you can also perform an auto zero in Chromperfect if needed. And that's it! You now know how to monitor your detector baseline without saving a run. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Chromperfect support videos.